So in this question, you're asked to prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. So let us start from the LHS. So as you can see, LHS has a numerator and denominator. Let us simplify them separately. So if you take the numerator, so I'll group these two terms 4x and 2x. So I'll leave cos 3x separately. So cos 3x plus cos 4x plus cos 2x is of the form cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 4x plus 2x by 2. 6x by 2 is 3x into cos of c minus d by 2. 4x minus 2x is 2x by 2 is x. That is equal to cos 3x times, if you take cos 3x as common, you have 1 plus 2 cos x. That's the numerator. So what is the denominator? Denominator also, I'll combine these two terms. So sin 3x is separate plus sin 4x plus sin 2x. What is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So 2 sin c plus d, 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2 is 3x into cos of c minus d by 2, 4x minus 2x is 2x by 2 is x. That is equal to, if I take sin 3x as common, you get 1 plus 2 cos x. 1 plus 2 cos x. So you have numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator is equal to cos 3x times 1 plus 2 cos x divided by sin 3x times 1 plus 2 cos x. So these two are getting cancelled. You get cos 3x by sin 3x, which is equal to cot 3x. So hence the result is proved. Thank you.